What if your favorite AI actually just stopped being your assistant and became a full-time employee? Welcome to today's explainer. Google just dropped a massive bombshell with NotebookLM 2.0, upgrading it from a simple document chat tool into a fully agentic researcher powered by Gemini 3.5. We are talking actual code execution, cinematic videos, and completely autonomous deep research. Let's dive right in. Seriously, ask yourself, what if your AI actually did your job for you? It's a pretty jarring thought, right? It kind of interrupts your whole scrolling autopilot. But this is exactly where the stakes are right now. Up until today, AI required constant handholding. With version 2.0, we are looking at an entirely new paradigm. Because, look, AI used to have a massive catch. The conflict was always that you had to do the heavy lifting first. You hunted down the PDFs, formatted the data, and manually strung it all together. But now, NotebookLM acts as the worker. It discovers the information, runs the math, and creates the deliverables from start to finish. So that entire friction point, it's completely gone. All right, Section 1, the Agentic AI upgrade. Let's talk about deep research. Previously, if you didn't upload your own documents, NotebookLM was basically useless. But now, you can start with just a single, simple question. Something like, how will AI impact healthcare over the next decade? And the system actively goes out, searches the web, verifies the sources, and builds a complete research library for you, totally autonomously. It literally solves the blank page problem. We all know that awful dread of staring at a blinking cursor, right? But now, NotebookLM discovers the foundational information before your deep analysis even begins. And what's really fascinating here is that Google makes the AI's reasoning process totally visible to you, so you can see exactly how it connected the dots. Moving right along to Section 2, your AI-powered workstation. So every notebook now comes with a secure cloud computing environment. What does that mean? It means NotebookLM can actually write and run code for you. In the past, if you wanted to analyze a super messy spreadsheet, you needed some serious Python or Excel skills. But now, it automatically generates code to clean the data, calculate statistics, and build visualizations. It is no longer guessing or hallucinating answers, it's computing hard facts. And honestly, it goes way beyond spreadsheets. It comes packed with over 100 built-in software skills. This means it can automate incredibly complex multi-step workflows. It has officially graduated from a neat chatbot that answers trivia into a quantitative powerhouse doing the heavy lifting. Okay, Section 3, rapid file creation. Previously, an AI gave you great text, but it charged you this massive copy and paste tax to format it anywhere else. So, NotebookLM fixed this. It now generates finished files directly from the chat. Need a PowerPoint presentation for tomorrow morning? Done. Need an Excel spreadsheet with freshly cleaned data? Done. It generates structured CSVs and JSON files instantly. Need a Word document or a formatted PDF summary? Done. I mean, just imagine uploading a giant stack of research and instantly receiving a presentation, a data spreadsheet, and a summary PDF, all automatically generated from the exact same notebook. The productivity boost we are talking about here is just enormous. Next up, Section 4, cinematic video generation. This might be the craziest part. Google is integrating their Veo video generation technology directly with Gemini. You upload a dense scientific paper or a super dry business report, the AI analyzes it, and instead of giving you a massive wall of text, it outputs a fully narrated, documentary-style explanation complete with animations and charts. It's a wild shift from text-based learning right into cinematic multimedia generation. Section 5, powered by Gemini 3.5. Under the hood powering all of this is the upgraded Gemini 3.5 model, and the sheer scale of its context window is absolutely staggering. It can process entire books, massive research archives, years of corporate reports, and long videos simultaneously. The entire goal here is to keep all your information perfectly connected across every single conversation. Finally, Section 6, Workspace evolution. To manage all of this new power, the new Studio panel acts as a centralized hub. You can multi-save dynamic outputs inside a single notebook. Want 3 different mind maps, a shuffled quiz, and an audio overview? You got it. Plus, they've finally expanded file support, so now you can drop in Google Sheets, docx files, and EPUB ebooks. So, as we wrap up this explainer, here is the core takeaway. In the past, AI assistants were helpful, but they were passive. NotebookLM 2.0 introduces the AI worker, an operating system that discovers sources, executes code, and generates videos autonomously. The line between a simple chatbot and a digital employee is blurring incredibly fast. Which leads me to our final, provocative thought for the day. Would you trust an AI research agent to handle your most important work for you? Not just summarize a text, but actually run the calculations and build the final report? Jump down into the comments and tell me where you draw the line. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I'll see you in the next one.